Jim. Boy, some really good weather over the past few days. Maybe a little hot, but I'm trying not to complain too much because a big change is coming.
Yes.
Yeah, you'll remember these days with fondness by the time we get to the weekend. Actually, you noticed all the bass bloom that was going on over the last several days as it heated up. Every tree in the valley and every bush seemed to bloom all at one time, and now we're starting to see the leaves coming out on the rest of the trees, so it is greening up quickly across the valley. Right now it's 55 degrees, so it's been fairly mild overnight. Once again, west winds at 5 miles per hour, and we'll gradually switch around to the southeast for the rest of the day. Taking a look at Storm Tracker, there isn't much precipitation to speak of. There have been a couple of isolated showers drifting up through the central mountains that will all wind down this morning. A lot of mid and high level clouds slipping up out of the south. It's all circulation around a low pressure system off the coast near San Francisco, and the southeasterly flow will continue into Idaho today. So that brings up mild air, warm air into the 80s again this afternoon, but also that little bit of moisture around for a chance of isolated showers. The green areas are flood advisories and warnings for some specific streams and rivers. Because of all the warm weather, we've seen so much snow melt in the mid and high latitudes, high altitudes that is, and it's causing rivers and streams to run high and fast and cold. It's going to continue for a while. By the weekend, it'll start cooling off a little bit. That'll stop the snow melt, but we'll have some rain coming in on top of it, keeping those streams running high. Here's that low off the San Francisco area, and it'll sit there for the next day or two. And then by late Wednesday or Thursday, starts moving inland toward Idaho. As it does come our way, a low pressure trough will drop down out of the Gulf of Alaska, bringing colder air. And the two will merge over our area, so by Friday, turning much cooler and wet. Until then, fair to partly cloudy skies, slight chance of an isolated shower or thunder shower in the mountain areas in the afternoon, dissipating during the evening, developing again tomorrow afternoon and evening. Then by Thursday, more widespread showers and thunderstorms as that low starts to track in across the Great Basin and heads toward Idaho. And then by Friday, more widespread rain and even some mountain snow. The snow levels drop to around 6,000 feet Friday through the weekend. For today, for the Magic Valley, upper 70s to near 80, partly cloudy skies, and a little bit of a breeze developing through the afternoon. 68 degrees in Sun Valley, 71 in Haley, and 71 degrees in McCall as well, but with a slight chance of a rain shower there. Generally dry elsewhere around the Long Valley. And for the Treasure Valley, mid-80s today, low to mid-80s throughout the upper Treasure Valley as well. 83 in Boise, 81 in Eagle, and nearly 80 in Mountain Home this afternoon. Tomorrow, another nice day up to 84, but then the changes take place Thursday. As that low approaches, we'll see rain showers and thunderstorms popping up, cooling us down to the mid-70s. Friday, much cooler, widespread rain, scattered thunderstorms, snow levels down to 6,000 feet with a high of only 60 degrees, and we stay in the 60s through the weekend with scattered rain showers even into early next week.